Hey zombie mob, Jason here with Day Train Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you guys like these videos and want to see more of them, make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And also, let's check out something. I'm filming this at 2:42 p.m. on the West Coast. I'm in Las Vegas. And this evening at 6 p.m. On the West Coast, 9 p.m. on the East Coast, Zombie Inu is doing a Twitter space tonight. So you don't want to miss it. Again, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys tune in. They're going to be giving updates, talking to the community and all that. So make sure you guys tune in. I've tuned into their Telegram ones. I love them. They're great. A lot of information. They catch us up on everything that's going on. Now, with that being said, let's catch up on the price charts. I told you guys last time, I was looking for lower. We had the big pop. Now, what is going on with this pop, right? Well, I told you guys, watch for the 15 level, right? That's going to be probably a resistance level, which it's been acting. We kind of had a high, a nice little shallow pullback. So essentially, what we have going on is a bull flag. Right? And again, we're looking at the zombie ether contract right now. So nice bull flag. Everything looks bullish. Nice double bottom down here if we zoom in. Okay. And we have nice little divergence. So the pullback was a shallow pullback, but a big pullback here. Now, if you look here, we also had another divergence. Pretty much from this entire leg of the move down to this, right? So here's a nice clean divergence. Again, I'm a hodler, so I'm holding this for years. I think I love everything they're doing, but a nice bull flag for the people day trading where we're going. I think that we break out just a measured move from here to here would probably take us right to about the 16 level, give or take. So that would be our next level of resistance, but does this carry on for a longer trend, longer time? Well, let's see what they say this evening in the Twitter spaces, right? So again, make sure you guys tune in. I know I'll be there listening. Now, let's take a look at the Ether side, or sorry, the Binance side, right? Nice kind of bull flag, and guess what? With this, it's already broken out as I speak, right? Here's our bull flag, and here is the breakout. So my question for you is this indicating that this is about to go any minute, right? Probably, maybe it plays catch up, things like that. So remember, there is a little discrepancy between the two, but this is already broken out of the bull flag. I like it. I would be saying around the 18 to 19 level would be a resistance on this move up. So I hope that helps. I'm going to keep it short, simple, sweet, to the point. Make sure you guys comment. Let me know if you guys are holding this long term in the comments down below. I know I am. I'm up to about 32 billion, give or take. So, and that's it. So, hope you guys have a great Christmas, happy holidays, everything. And if I see anything in the next few days with this, I will make another video. But until then, we'll talk to you guys soon.